Okay, this is a test to show that the new microphone, the TASCAM TM-80, which we got for free, along with this, that's the mic, along with this Behringer interface, audio interface, will work with Zoom. So I've got the mic hooked up to the interface, and you can see that both the power, let me get it a little better here, both the power and the 48 volt phantom power are on. Yeah, there we go. And the phantom power switch is in the back over here, down at the bottom, and that should be on. And then it plugs into USB coming out the back of this interface right into the computer. Okay, and you can stretch it out along the table. So here goes the test. It's showing up as USB microphone in Zoom. So that's the one you want to select when you're selecting microphones. And then of course the speaker is the big bar that we've got here, which is plugged into the TV. So you select the TV, V70. That's the Vizio 70-inch TV. Okay, so here goes the test. First of all, test mic. Testing the TASCAM TM-80.
Testing.
I was a little too slow. Gonna do it again. Testing the TASCAM TM-80.
Testing the TASCAM TM-80.
Okay, so it works. And I've got the gain on channel 1, which is the microphone gain, set at 12 o'clock. This is 0. This is 12 o'clock. I'm sorry. This is 0. This is 12 o'clock. And the other two gains for the instrument, we don't have an instrument plugged in, that's zeroed. And the output is 0 also. That's if you want to plug in headphones to monitor what you're getting. So that's the 3-minute test of the TASCAM TM-80.